Today we're going to be looking at this super fun puzzle. We're going to be practicing animal names, and we're going to be listening to all of the sounds that these animals make. Are you ready to go? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first, let's look at this cute sheep. Isn't he so cute? Yes. What does a sheep say? Bah. Very good. And we put the sheep here. There you go, sheep. Let's see. What does the sheep say?
Sheep.
Bah. Very good. Try again.
The sheep says.
Yes, that was so fun. Okay, now let's find where does the pig go? Where does the pig go? Does it go here? No, that's not right. Does it go here? Yes. Okay, let's listen to a pig. What does a pig say? Let's see. Pull the lever. Pull.
Pig.
Try again. Pull the lever. Pull.
The pig says.
Very good. Okay, let's try our next animal. What animal is this? Duck. Good job. Duck says. Quack, 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 quack. Does the duck go here? No, it's too small. Does the duck go here? No. Does the duck go here? Yes. Good job. Okay. What does a duck say? What does a duck say? Pull the lever. Pull. Oh, that's so cute. Try again. Pull.
The duck says.
Oh, that's so fun. Okay, let's look at our next animal. We have a cow. Very good. And what does a cow say? Moo. Yes. Does the cow go here? No, the cow is an animal, not a person. Does the cow go here? Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's look at our cow. What sound does the cow make? Here we go. Pull the lever. Pull.
Cow.
Good job, cow. Let's try that again. Pull.
The cow says.
Whoa, he has a low voice. Actually, that's a girl. She has a low voice. Okay, now let's look at this one. What is this? Yes, it's a farmer. Does the farmer go here? No, that's too small. That's silly. Does the farmer go here? Nope. Does the farmer go here? Yes. And what does the farmer say? Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's see if this will sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Ready? Pull the lever. Pull.
Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a goat, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, everywhere. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, that was so great. And that's our next animal. What is this animal? Yes, a goat. And we just heard the goat's sound. It says, meh, meh. Okay, does the goat go here? No. Does the goat go here? Yes! Yes! And let's listen to the goat sound one more time. Pull the lever. Pull!
The goat says.
Wow, that is so cool. Try again. Pull.
Goat.
So fun. Okay, let's do our big animal. What animal is this? A horse. Very good. And what does a horse say? Neigh! 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 Does the horse go here? No. Does the horse go here? Yes, it fits. Okay, what does a horse say? Let's see. Here's the horse. Go to the horse. Let's hear it. Pull the lever. Pull.
The horse says.
Ooh, that's a good sound. Try again. Pull.
Horse.
Good job, horse. And we have our last animal. So cute. The little chicken. Or this is also a hen because it's a girl chicken. So it's called a hen. What sound does a hen make? It can sound like that, or it can also go cluck, 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 cluck. Okay, and we have one last place, and the chicken goes right there, or the hen. Okay, let's see. Over here we have a chicken. We have a girl chicken, which is called a hen. Let's see what sound it makes. Pull the lever. Pull.
The rooster says.
Oh, that's a rooster. That's silly, but that is what a rooster makes. Let's hear it again.
Rooster.
Yes, and we know it's a rooster because it has this red comb on its head. I didn't see that at first. It has a red comb. That's how we know it's a rooster. And that is a boy. A boy chicken is called a rooster. Okay, let's sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm one more time. Ready?
Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow,
E-I-O. With a moo moo here, moo moo there, here moo there moo, everywhere moo moo.
Old
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wow, that was so fun. Thank you so much for joining me as we learn more about our animals and where they go in this puzzle and all about our sounds, and we sing the Old MacDonald song. I will see you next time. Bye, friends.